Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ZigZag indicator. This powerful tool helps traders identify significant price reversals by filtering out minor market noise. It connects swing highs and swing lows with straight lines, making it easier to visualize the underlying trend. A common setting for this indicator is a deviation of 3%, which means it only plots a new point when the price moves at least 3% from the previous extreme. This simplifies complex price action. The ZigZag indicator works by drawing a new line only when the price changes by a specified percentage from a previous extreme. For instance, if you set the deviation to 5%, the indicator will ignore any price movements smaller than 5%. This ensures that only substantial reversals are highlighted, providing a clearer picture of market structure. It effectively helps you visualize key support and resistance levels as it focuses on the most significant turning points in the market, ignoring the smaller fluctuations. You can integrate the ZigZag indicator into several trading strategies. It's excellent for confirming Elliott wave patterns by clearly outlining impulse and corrective waves. Combine it with Fibonacci retracement levels to pinpoint potential entry and exit points after a significant swing. Also, look for divergences between the ZigZag and other oscillators, like the relative strength index, to anticipate reversals. A practical approach is to wait for a new ZigZag leg to fully form before considering a trade entry. While powerful, remember that the ZigZag indicator is a lagging tool, meaning it plots after price movements have already occurred. Therefore, it's crucial to use it in conjunction with other technical analysis tools for confirmation, rather than as a standalone decision maker. Experiment with different deviation percentages to find what works best for various market conditions and assets. This customization will help you optimize its effectiveness and enhance your overall trading analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.